Komiti mar od bura mochung'ne arita ogoyo kogno jakom mowal mar duol mochung'ne ng'iyo tije mar apisas mag obila e pacho ka IPOA Isaack Hassan. Hassan ma en jakom machon mar duol mochung'ne yiero pacho ka IBC onyiso komiti no obila nyaka thegre go okang' mar ndhiyo kendo lal gi jopiny ataro mar chik kowacho ni tim makamano dhi kelo remo marach e kind obila gi jopiny. Hassan olero ni obila kaachiel gi jopiny duto nyaka luw chike seche duto koyango ni koso luwo chike kind jopiny kod obila nyalo duoko piny Kenya e bugo manokwako Kenya tok yiero ma higa 2007.
We have to stop, we have to be very careful not to destroy this country. In 2007, we almost went to the brink, the precipice of civil war. We came back, we pulled back. We should never again. And how do you do that? We must respect the rule of law. You can't just be abducting people and killing them. A time will come when the public is going to respond also. So I agree with you, we are taking office as a very difficult point. But I can assure you, even as chairman of IBC, I have seen also difficult situations. And I have been able to manage and deliver to Kenyans what was the election results. So I fully agree with your sentiments. We are taking office at a very, very difficult time. And I hope that even as you engage with the police service and the DCI, because this is a committee which manages all of us, you will begin to also instill in them the need for the rule of law.